Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Capitec shares. First, you'll need to understand the basic steps involved in investing. We'll cover choosing the right investment platform and the necessary documents for opening an account. It's important to identify key considerations before you make any purchase, ensuring you're well prepared for your investment journey. Let's get started. Your first step is to select a reputable stockbroker or investment platform. Take time to compare their fees, available features, and customer support to find the best fit for you. Once chosen, you'll complete an account opening application form. Remember to have your identification and proof of address ready for the verification process, which is a standard security measure. After your account is set up, you'll need to deposit funds into your new brokerage account. Decide how many Capitec shares you wish to purchase, keeping your budget in mind. Then, you can place a buy order through your chosen platform. Once your order is executed, it's a good practice to regularly monitor your investment performance and stay informed about market trends. Before investing, thoroughly research Capitec's financial performance and market position. It's crucial to understand the inherent market risks involved before committing any capital. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio across different assets to mitigate risk. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to seek professional financial advice to help guide your investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.